Hello students and welcome back. We were on page number 79 and we were discussing about Let's March, about Kailash Satyarthi, about the speech which which Kailash Satyarthi has given in a Nobel Prize ceremony in 2014. In that we were discussing now Kailash Satyarthi is talking about the invitation which he received or he got from the Nobel Committee to give a wonderful lecture on this occasion. But what he said, I cannot give or I cannot deliver a lecture on this occasion. Why? Because I am the sound of silence. Who I am? I am the sound of silence. He said, I cannot give a speech like a neta or leader, a politician or anyone, at least on today's occasion. Why? Because I am getting this honor for saving the children's, but that doesn't mean that the agonies, the pains, the miseries of the children's are over. There are lots and lots of children's are still left and who are waiting for me to rescue them. Understood? And that's why he said, I cannot give us or deliver a lecture on this occasion. Then he said, then why I came here and what I am doing now? So I am just sharing the voice and the dreams of our children. What I am doing, I am just sharing the voices and the dreams of our children. He says, the children, those who are tortured by all this, the people, by the terrorists, by the zamindars, they also have dreams. They also want to say something, they want to express something, but they are not able to do that. And today I am here, I am representing them. I am voice of their children, because every time whenever I saved injured children, a girl or a boy, every time whatever their miseries were there, whatever their words were there, that words are in my ears, and I want to extend that words to the world on this occasion. And he says, every time whenever I saved a children, I saw a fear in their eyes. Okay, and that's why he says today, don't consider this as my lecture. Okay, I'm just sharing their voices to you. Now what he is doing further, he is telling one story of a small story as an example he is giving. What example is giving? Let us see. We are on page number 79. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 fifth paragraph. Okay, so 20 years ago in the foothills of the Himalayas, I met a small skinny child laborer. He asked me, is the world so poor that it cannot give me a toy and a book instead of forcing me to take a gun or a tool? So he is getting one example. He is getting one. He is remembering one incident that once what happened. He says 20 years ago. This example was of 20 years ago actually. So in the foothills of Himalaya, when he went to rescue some of the child, at that time what happened? So he said, when I went to foothills of Himalaya and I rescued a small skinny means thin, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, कमजोर सा ऐसा बारीक. Okay, so there he went and he rescued a small skinny child labor. He was actually child labor, and when he was rescuing him and taking him along with him in his car, we can say, at that time that small child, maybe of 8 9 10 years old, that small child asked Kailash Satyarthi, he asked, uncle, tell me one thing, is this world is so poor that in spite of giving me a food, in spite of giving me book, this world is giving me a in spite of giving me a toy, this world is giving me a gun or a tool. मेरे हाथों में बंदूक दे रहा है या कोई what we can, tool in the sense औजार जिससे काम किया जाता है. So is this world is so poor that they cannot even give book or a toy to a small children? Okay, once we will be grown up, then that is okay, we will do what we want to do. But to the small children also, these people are, these people are forcing the small children to go into all such things. So the world is so poor. And he says that, that sentence, that words of that small child is still in my ears. And it pains me. I met another example he is giving. I met with a Sudanese child soldier. He was kidnapped by an extremist militant. As his first training lesson, he was forced to kill his friend and family. He asked me, "What is my fault?" See, the condition is very, very bad. Later he says, he's telling another example. He says, once I rescued a Sudanese, belongs to Sweden, a Sudanese child labor or a child soldier. In fact, here child soldier means like a terrorist. What they generally do, they kidnap the small children and they brought them in this profession of a profession means not a profession but in the line of terrorism. They forcefully give them a gun, they give them training, and to make them cruel, they used very cruel practices, so that this terrorists become so cruel. Means while shooting on the common people, small children's, women's, there should not be any pity in their हार्ट, देयर शुड नॉट बी, कुछ उनको दया बिल्कुल नहीं आना चाहिए, बिंदास वो गोली चलाना चाहिए, ऐसा उनको बनाते हैं. देखो एग्जाम्पल, बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है हमको समझने के लिए. होगी अच्छा इन द सेंस, हमको समझने के लिए बहुत अच्छा एग्जाम्पल है. कंडीशन, I met with the Sudanese child soldier. He was kidnapped by extremist militant. So that child soldier was kidnapped by extremist militant, means a militant or a terrorist group. And when he was put into the training, that child was put into the training. During that time, what he was told, he was forcefully given the gun and he was trained to run that gun. चलाना कैसे वो सिखाया गया. And what was his first lesson? He was forced to kill his friends and family. He asked me. और उसको क्या सिखाया गया? सबसे पहले उसको खुद के द क्लोज फ्रेंड्स वर देयर, उन दोस्तों के ऊपर गोली चलाने के लिए बोला गया, वो भी पास से शायद. इतना ही नहीं, तो हिज फैमिली मेम्बर्स, उसकी जो खुद के फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे, उनके ऊपर भी गोली चलाने के लिए उनको बोला गया, ज़बरदस्ती किया गया. एंड इफ ही विल नॉट लिसन, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? दे विल टॉर्चर, दे विल बीट हिम, एंड डिफरेंट प्रैक्टिसेस दे फॉलो. एंड फॉर व्हाट ऑल दिस? दिस इज जस्ट टू मेक देम क्रूअल. इतने खूंखार हो जाए कि वो जो किसी के भी ऊपर गोली चलाते समय बिल्कुल भी ना सोचे, छोटे बच्चे के ऊपर. दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. And Kailash Satyarthi and Bachpan Bachao Andolan is working for all such things, rescuing such children from them. Now you can understand how big or how great work Kailash Satyarthi and Bachpan Bachao Andolan is doing, and for that he got Nobel Prize. Okay, see, I'm getting one incident I'm remembering. I hope 2 years or 3 years before. Some of the militants were caught by the army of Indian army, caught some of the militants, कुछ militants को पकड़ा near by the Kashmir somewhere. And when they were interrogated during that time, these militants, they were at the age of 15 to 18 years. So they were during interrogation. उनको जब पूछा गया तो व्हाट दे रिवील्ड, क्या बताया उन्होंने बताया कि दे वेर मीन्स दे गॉट ए ट्रेनिंग टू किल द पर्सन एंड टू ड्रिंक द ब्लड ऑफ अ पर्सन. क्या समझाया गया उनको, क्या बताया गया था ट्रेनिंग में? क्या सिखाया गया कि जब वो जंगल में रहते या किसी को मारते, प्यास लगने से क्या करना है, या हम लोग को खूंखार बनाने के लिए उनको क्या किया गया? उनको बोला गया कि इसको मारो, जो खून निकलेगा वो पीना है तुमको. In that way, these terrorists are trained. Now you can understand how cruel practices these people are doing. Okay, and their target is small children, remember. Okay, their target is small children's. Okay, so Kailash Satyarthi was talking about a Swedish child who is a child soldier, and he was he got a training, and in that training he was told to kill his friend and his family members, and he said, "Uncle, what is my fault? Okay, I don't want to fire on anyone. I don't want to kill anyone. Then why I am told to do all these things? Is it my fault? If I am not doing, I am being tortured. Whose fault it is?" And that is why Kailash Satyarthi is saying, these people have a lot of dreams inside them. They also want to become doctors, engineers, lawyers, and scientists, but they are trapped, and they are been taken to another line. This is what is going all over the world, and Bachpan Bachao Andolan is working for them. Okay, let us stop here with this example. We will continue in the next video. Okay, have a nice day.